Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I wanted to show you what different types of string look like and hold up on Candy. So this first cuff here I got in 2003, and this is the same type of string I use, and it looks the same as the first day I got it. It's still tight and all in one piece. So this is the sewing elastic string. That's my cat meowing in the background. Okay, this next cuff I got in 2004, I believe. And the base, they used a thick sewing elastic. So there's two different sizes. We have a thin one, and then this one's just a little bit thicker. But they use this one for the base. And as you can see, that's holding up pretty nice. But on the top here, they used this metallic stretch elastic, and over the years this has gotten loose. So I wouldn't recommend this string, just because eventually it will give out on you a little bit. Okay, now this next bracelet, yes, this used to be a bracelet, was made with if you buy your string over by the beads, like it's an elastic, but it's thinner than this. I think it's 1 millimeter, or it could be smaller, but after time this one stretches completely out and then has no more stretch. And this one's really old. I probably got this in 2001 maybe. So I wouldn't recommend this string long term. Okay, this mask is made with fishing line, and it's sturdy, and this feels like it's gonna last a long time. And someone gifted this to me at Lost Lands, so this one's not very old. So fishing line is good for projects that you don't need stretch for. Okay, and then the last two, I have this one, I got Electric Forest, and it's made with the Stretch Magic, or the Magic Cord, or the Clear. There's different names for it too. But this string is a little more flexible. And to be honest, I really don't have too many old pieces of candy that are made with this string, so I can't tell you long term. But this is very flexible compared to this this elastic. This is the same elastic but in black. As you can see, I mean, this one's flexible, but it's more, the beads kind of just stay in place there. But this one has a little more movement. Okay, so with that being said, I just wanted to let you guys know your projects are going to look different depending on what kind of string you use. So play around and find out which one's your favorite. But if you want your projects to, you know, resemble mine a little more, if you use the same string, you should get the same results. And they sell this at Walmart, at all craft stores. I'm sure you can find it online, but the name brand could be different. Just as long as it looks like this, it'll be the same quality and you'll be good to go. I hope this helped you guys. See you next time.